Welcome back, Jefferson. Here we go. Today, September 24th. It should be a Thursday if we are counting correctly. And we are going to launch a two-day, two days of this gizmo. We know gizmos are always a struggle, but this is cell division. We're still working on that mitosis, and trust me, you want to know mitosis forward, backward, inside, outward. It is going to make 8th grade and meiosis so much easier. It's like a foundation step. So get this mitosis down. So today we are, again, going to the gizmo. I've got my gizmo pulled up ready to show you how it works. Here is your student exploration sheet. You're going to click on that, make your own copy. Always please put your name in that title box. I know we've been harping on that for a while. You're going to click your Gizmo link. Remember, your Gizmo username should be your first name, your last name, all lowercase, no spaces, and Jefferson, all lowercase, again, is your password. Okay, so here we go. Cell division. Pretty straightforward, right? So you've got 2 prior knowledge questions here to answer before you get started. And please do us a favor. Come up here, select your favorite color from the font or from the text color box and change that text color. It helps it stand out. Just don't use like yellow or this like really obnoxious like bright green. I pick something that us old lady eyes can read. So, don't tell Miss Anderson I just said old. She was old. Okay, but here we go. Cell division. 2 prior knowledge questions. Okay, then comes your gizmo warm up. On the simulation pane of the cell division, check that the cell length cycle is set to 12 and click play and observe until the maximum number of cells is shown and then click pause. So what does that all mean? Hold up your gizmo. Here is your cell division phase and your cell length cycle is right here. Set it to 12, right? Cell length cycle is set to 12. Our cell length cycle is set to 12. Good deal. We're going to click play and observe until we've reached the max. So here is our cell we're going to be watching. We are going to click play and we are going to let it go. And there he goes, dividing away. You are going to let this run until it reaches its max. We're not going to watch it. You can watch it on your own time. So look at the cells. Do they all look the same? It's a yes or no question. And then you're going to go here, check the magnify box and move the cursor over the cells. Check the magnify box, magnify, and we're going to move our cursor over the cells and we can look at each little cell individually to see what's happening inside. Select the bar chart tab. Oh, I'm sorry. Of the 100 cells shown, how many are in the process of dividing? So you're going to have to count a little bit. Select the bar chart tab. Bar chart tab. Oh, and we have to move me. Here we go. Bar chart tab. And we're going to look. Most of them are here in interphase. We have some in prophase, show numerical values. And we have one in telophase. How many cells are in the interphase? So you're going to click that number and go on. Okay, the last one, based on these 2 observations, what would you say the cell spends most of its time? I'm hoping you pick the right one there after doing all of your reading and watching your observations. The goal for today, remember this is a 2-day Gizmo Lab. The goal for today, day 1, what is it, Thursday, September 24th, is to get through activity A. So if you can get prior knowledge done, your warm-up done, and get through A, or as much of A as you can, it is long, that's your goal. Okay, tomorrow we'll work on B and the extension. But for today, get through part A. That is the goal. Part A. Okay? I hope I've said that enough. 2-day gizmo. Get through part A today.